Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Solana, we are trading at $13.58. 24-hour volume, we're down 8.66%, and market cap, we're down 9.32%. Overall, not looking too good for Solana. If we take a look on the weekly chart here, here's our descending triangle, hitting resistance, coming down to an area of support, and most importantly here, broke through the area of support just this week, and we could possibly see price for Solana drop all the way down here, essentially when it first started at the $2 or the $3 price range, which may actually accomplish or finish off the entire accumulation phase or the Elliott wave theory itself. So if price does come down to there, then we may see a huge buying pressure here, essentially for Solana. But let's take a look closer at a 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame here, I'm going to get into 2-hour time frame as well. Essentially, here is our bear candlestick at the very top here, either a hanging man or a spinning top candlestick. I want to say more of a hanging man candlestick. Essentially, the range itself came down to 78%, and normally with the tail, the wick, or the range itself, it is huge selling pressure, as we can see going into this 4-hour time frame. Most importantly here on a 2-hour time frame, we can see that we're in a descending parallel channel coming down to sorry, my cat, coming down to an area of support, resistance, and then so on. So the next course of action was essentially to come up and retest this area of resistance and hopefully break through it. But we've got a few areas that pushed us down. One being our RSI triggered a selling opportunity on the downside. Two, we can see that the momentum itself for our MACD indicator is getting lighter in color. We can see these histograms itself are very minimal. And normally whenever we see minimal histograms or bars itself, it is going to break out into a breakout either in an uptrend or a downtrend. But we can see the last histogram or the current histogram here is getting lighter in color, so we may actually trigger more selling feature, as we can see in this candlestick so far. Compared to the previous candlestick, we've got a bearish engulfing candlestick here with the range itself closer down to at least 50% of this parallel channel. So if we do in fact come down to retest our trend line, it is actually coming down to support or retest this area of support. And if we take a look on a weekly chart here, again, price is at its crucial point here with this node here that's sticking out. If we don't hold this area of support, be prepared to see Solana come down to the $3 or the $2 range. Most importantly here, I wanted to show you too, in Solana, we had a chart pattern, double top chart pattern. So we can be able to see here, we've got the M, which broke down into this parallel channel. So it is going to be a retest of this trend line that's coming down to the $12.40. If we're actually able to hold that area, that's great. The price may actually continue to go into this parallel channel itself, coming into a retest of the 78%. But the bearish market itself is crazy here when we take a look at Solana. If we take a look at all of our moving averages, we are just getting further away from it, and the momentum itself is going to continue to grow into a bear market until we're able to come back into the accumulation phase and see that growth here for Solana if there is any heavy buyers that is out there. But be very cautious and watch out for the 1240. If we do drop, here's our next area over fib at $10.81. So definitely let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Like and subscribe as well, but I'll see you next time.